I don't know the last part of yours. I don't know because you are from Tamil Nadu Press. Okay, National Press. Now you are talking about blackmailing. I don't know because that is not in my dictionary. And second thing is ki the core group of the party, they have authorized President to take appropriate action in the case of Karnataka. The process of taking appropriate action is on. Within hours or within a day, you will get the result. You want in English? What appeared in some of the magazines, the transcription of the tapes, say fortunately or unfortunately, such tapes by a leading fortnight magazine. Many people who were lucky to download that transcription tapes, audio tapes, at that point of time they are lucky because after that it was blocked by some agency. Now you cannot hear the tape. These issues were also discussed in the meeting, today's meeting, in all-party meeting, and there the point was raised that how corporate is through their lobby in the interest of a corporate house or a particular person who is ultimately going to give benefit to the corporate house, how they are managing. So in that tape, everything appeared. So a time will come that the terms of reference of the discussion or a probe by parliamentary committee will also arise.
Mr. Alwal, I want to ask you one thing. Does it lie in your mouth to talk of corruption when Meera Rade you talk about is originally your creation of the 1998 government of your ex-civil aviation minister who is still a big leader in
My creation? Look, the point is that even if you detect gangrene, a surgeon needs time to impute things. By merely raising this question that I can't speak about corruption, now how much time you take, the Congress party took to remove Chavan and to bring a new face in that place. How much time it took? How many hours? And how many tapes and how many tons of paper? The article and the news item you have written on your newspaper. Don't ask me that question. अरे भाई आपका एडजेक्टिव मैं ऐसा है मेरे पास में जो टेप है. If you have the tape of 1998, bring it. But if you don't have, don't mention. If you can't substantiate it with any documentary proof, don't raise it. And if you have, please give it to us. क्या? हाँ. आपकी डिबेट है तो उसको पुनः छाप सकते हैं आप, अगर छापना चाहते हैं तो कोई रोक है आपको? और कुछ? धन्यवाद. किसने कहा है? ऐसा है, वैसे मैंने ये टिप्पणी कहीं पढ़ी नहीं है. आप कह रहे हैं तो आपके सवाल का जवाब मैं दे देता हूं कि जो सर्विस ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस है उसके हिसाब से सीवीसी का जो पदाधिकारी होना चाहिए वो एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कैरियर जिसका हो और कोई दाग ना हो वही कह सकता है। तो ये कैसे कहा है उन्होंने, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि अटॉर्नी जनरल खुद घेरे में आ जाएं कि उनकी नियुक्ति कहां से हुई है। My answer for last 10 days is the one only, that if they concede a JPC, we are ready to cooperate. There are rumors that they want to go for sine die. We are again saying that you announce the JPC, there will be smooth functioning of Parliament. There will be smooth discussion on every subject.